Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So this is a review which I am doing after using both phones for a very long time. I think close to 50 days of using these devices. And after this long time usage, I'll give my complete impressions about the loudspeaker between both the smartphones, which is the best and which sounds are very good in terms of listening high volumes as well. So here I got the small sound meter testing as well, as you can see here. So let's get started with this comparison between the loudspeakers. And first let's start with a basic thing, so which is the knowing about the physical speakers. So in terms of the Poco X3 as the two dual stereo speaker setup, one in the bottom and one in the top. The earpiece also acts as a speaker as well, and overall there's a two speaker setup, and which will give you very good stereo effect when you're watching the movies and when you're even gaming. So most of the time I do play games with the high volume in this phone, because I do get very good effect when you're playing in high volume. That is the one thing. So on the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy M51 has only bottom facing speaker, which is not great when you compare with other smartphones, because nowadays we are seeing with mobile phones which are having dual stereo speaker setup. So in that case you will be a bit disappointed with the Samsung Galaxy M51 device having only one speaker. So let's compare the same audio file which I am going to play in both the smartphones. And in case if you want to know what launcher I am using, this is iOS launcher, and how to install this one as well. So try to check the links in description, even for this wallpapers for the punch holes cameras. So try to check the playlist for each and every smartphone, and even you can find the playlist for the wallpapers and applications as well. So try to check and you will find so many videos related to both of the smartphones. So let me start opening the application where I'll be playing the audio file in both the smartphones. So after using for a long time this both mobile phones, definitely I would highly recommend, if you're kind of listening to loudspeaker, then definitely the Poco X3 will satisfy your needs. But on the other hand, I did have some kind of problems about the vibrations going on the back panel, so which most of the users they did complain. If I read the Flipkart reviews, so there will be so many complaints about these vibrations on the back side. But there is another solution how to decrease the vibrations, so try to check that video as well. You will find so many interesting things how you can decrease vibrations. So let me try to play the audio in this mobile phone. So right now it is a meter, so where I am holding a little bit far away from the phone. So later I'll try to keep near the speakers to test the maximum sound output. As you can see here friends, 109 on the bottom and the 103 or 104 on the top. So this is the overall highest point recorded. So before it recorded up to 125 because I did press a little bit kind of hard, so that's why it recorded higher. But later I was very gentle, not pressing too much. So 109 decibels and 104 decibels on the top. So let's see how will the Samsung Galaxy M51 will perform with the one speaker. So now let me try to play the audio file one by one in both the smartphones, so you can see feel the difference as well in terms of numbers how they are going. And one thing is that I did keep the sound meter exactly in the middle, but the Poco X3 as a dual stereo speaker setup, the sound from the top speaker will react so much in the sound meter. So whereas in the Samsung the sound should travel from the bottom, so you might see the little bit kind of let's score from the Samsung. So that's why I'm trying to give you an heads up on that one. So let me try to play again. So after playing for 27 seconds, 91 is the highest recorded decibels in the from the Poco X3. So now let me start with the Samsung. So clearly you can see here friends the difference between both the speakers, how much it is. So I think it recorded 85 decibels versus the 91 decibels. So now let me try to play one by one audio. So maybe you might be able to listen to the Boss effects as well. So let me try to play the audio right now. So alright friends, after using both phones for a very long time, the final conclusion is that the Poco X3 phone sounds lot better than the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, so much better. And only drawback was with the vibrations, but I am okay with the vibrations because I like the sound quality. Even the clarity is very good if you are listening at high volume. The Boss effect is very good. So that's the thing which I like here. So even though there is some minor vibrations. So this is a quick comparison between the loudspeakers between both of the smartphones, and for more interesting videos on both phones, try to check the links in description. You will find so many interesting videos. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, subscribing to my channel, and bye.